Hi, I'm Fernando, founder of Bluevy. But what is Bluevy? Well, Bluevy is a shower gadget that helps you shave in a hot shower without the stress of wiping your mirror 300 times. Unlike mirrors, the heat inside the display prevents Bluevy from getting foggy. There's a lot Bluevy can offer, like a variety of this toolbox, a Swiss Army knife, or this one-man band. Bluevy have awesome Bluetooth speakers, UVC lights that keeps your bathroom sanitized, free from shower black mold, and other bacteria, and of course privacy. Very important these days. You can also download any of your favorite apps. Bluevy will help you enjoy again your time alone in the safest and most private place in your home and away from the dangers of the world.
Fernando!
If you like to shave, have a bathroom, or just wants to relax, yes, Bluevy is for you. And why it wouldn't be? Bluevy is the best shower gadget ever. Back us now, so we can make this cool gadget come to life. Or he'll come and get you.
Hi, we are Oxy Instruments and we would like to present you Oxy One, a new way to create musical ideas and control all your studio gear. One is versatile and compact. It brings to you new approaches for music making, from intuitive composition tools to deep and performative sequencing power. Build exciting chord progressions in a matter of seconds with the powerful chord mode. When inspiration lacks, the algorithmic randomizer helps ideas to start flowing. Let the melody harmonically flow with your chord progression with the built-in harmonizer. The harmonizer together with the chord mode makes Oxy One an amazing tool for composition and real-time performance of many instruments. Full polyphony support for MIDI synths and modular setups. Total note freedom with multitouch. Oxy One closes the gap between MIDI and control voltage like never before. Freely play over your patterns and melodies. Add modulation and randomization on the go. All the tools you need to perform, Oxy One can become the brain of your live performances. We are a team of musicians who developed Oxy One having in mind all the needs from the beginner to the professional producer. Oxy One is packed with a lot of exciting features. We have improved our ideas with constant feedback from the community, and we will keep doing so. We also plan to keep pushing ourselves to add even more features. By supporting us, you will not only be one of the first people to have Oxy One, you will also become part of our team. Help us to make it happen.
Let me introduce my family. This is my wife, my daughter, our dog Bailey, and Briva. They love to play inside all the time, but so does the dust and dog fur. My wife deserves the most beautiful flowers in the world, but suffers from a pollen allergy. Luckily, we have Briva, which instantly refreshes the air. Briva Shield eliminates bacteria and other fine particles with 3 layers of filtration and 2 additional protective layers, anions and UVC sterilization, leaving them no place to hide.
Hey Google, set Briva mode to auto.
It looks like Briva is going at it again. Here we go. Briva's built-in VOC sensor is like a sensitive nose that detects the concentration of volatile organic compounds in the air that even humans can't smell. The infrared dust can capture microbes as small as 0.3 micrometers. This is such a treat. Briva can refresh the entire living room with its large area coverage of up to 246 square feet. Let's take a look at the air quality. All right, that's pretty good. And let's not forget the humidifying function. This is so considerate. At night, you can set it to sleep mode. That gives a low noise effect of less than 26 decibels. Set your favorite modes through the app. How simple is that? Good night, sweetheart. Briva, hymn to air's freshness.